everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Zedge account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Zedge account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Zedge application. The home page of Zedge application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, tap on My Zedge option. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Log Out. It will log you out of your Zedge account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Zedge account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.